Rivers State Governor Wike don tok say him success as the #1 man for the state na sake of the ogbonge support wey the people of Rivers State give am. Governor Wike tok this one for one book launch for Port Harcourt, and he con tok say him for no fit meet up with all im plan if to say no get correct counsel from the ogbonge and better people of Rivers State. Wike con still beg the people of Rivers State say make dem dey for the governor-elect of the state, Simi Alaye Fubara, when dem don swear am in as governor. He con still tok say im believe say the governor-elect dey loaded with ogbonge sense to take run the affairs of the state when he don move enter the brick house.
Frankly speaking, that Wike has done well, Wike has not done well. Wike has performed beyond expectation. First of all, we thank God Almighty, but it is the support of our people that has made it work this way. I appreciate every support you have given to us since 2015. On Saturday, I'll make my valedictory speech. So just today, just to thank everybody and say that the support you are giving to me, give more to my successor. Because if he fails, all of us have failed. I have that belief that the government and the deputy government will do very, very well. People should also understand no two persons can be the same. But what's important is being able to deliver what will make our people to be happy. It's a very good person. It's somebody you can rely on. His yes is yes. That I can tell you. When people were struggling to be governor, he never one day came to me. That's I'm a president. He never one day.
Meanwhile, some of the people wey do collabo with Governor Wike con tok say the people of Rivers State go miss Wike when he come up for office.
I'm already beginning to miss the governor. I'm feeling sad that he's leaving because in a few days' time he will be vacating office. This is a governor that has really transformed the state and replaced the state nationally as a state of relevance. So it's a thing that we are feeling sad that he's leaving. But we are confident that the man that is taking over is going to do well because he is somebody that's also been part of this new Rivers vision.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter, Ojsele, TMC TV News.